watch out for the moon kids.
And Peter Rica picked the point. That'd be all.
Here we go. Take my hand. I'm waiting for this at 3 o'clock.
T-minus 3 minutes, 50 seconds and counting. Engines are being gimbaled into position for launch.
Hey Dan, we can hear you. That's probably true, huh?
CLT, OTC, clear, caution, warning, memory, verify no unexpected errors.
Uh-oh.
T-minus 2 minutes, 24 seconds and counting. The gaseous oxygen is being retracted away from the top of the external tank.
Endeavour, OTC, close it, lock your visors, and initiate O2 flow. Head is inward.
T-minus 2 minutes and counting.
TLS is go for ET, altitude pressurization.
Liquid hydrogen replenish on the external tank is now being terminated. T-minus 1 minute, 30 seconds. All systems are go. We're about 90 seconds from launch of Space Shuttle Endeavour. T-minus 1 minute and counting.
For auto sequence start.
T-minus 26 seconds. We have auto sequence set.
20. 15.
10.
2,000 miles an hour, altitude 10 miles, downrange distance 12 miles from Kennedy Space Center. It's 1.5 minutes since launch. Endeavour has consumed more than 2.25 million pounds of propellant and weighs less than half of what it did at launch. Standing by for burnout of the twin solid rocket boosters and jettison.
The problem when you're far away is you don't really just can't imagine how much force is coming by.
That's the wrong way. The moon is on the other side. Going to the side. That's why I'm doing it.
Booster officer confirms a clean separation of two solid rockets. Endeavour's 3 main engines continue on the second stage, accelerating with 37 million horsepower. Endeavour's 2 orbital maneuvering system engines firing now to help boost the shuttle into orbit. They'll fire for 1 minute and 36 seconds. Altitude 40 miles.
2 engine cow.
That call means Endeavour can perform a transatlantic landing at Zaragoza, Spain if required. Speed 4,000 miles an hour. Altitude 44 miles, 73 miles from Kennedy Space Center. Three minutes, 30 seconds into Endeavour's flight. Speed 4,900 miles an hour, altitude 53 miles, downrange 115 miles from Kennedy Space Center. 3 good auxiliary power units, 3 good fuel cells, 3 good shuttle main engines.
Endeavour, negative return. Negative return.
Did you see it?
That call indicates Endeavour is going too fast now to return to Kennedy Space Center for a landing if a problem should arise. Just under 4 minutes to the main engine cutoff. During that time, Endeavour is going to triple its speed to reach the 17,400 miles an hour needed to reach Earth orbit. Current speed 6,000 miles an hour. Altitude 62 miles. 3 good engines, 3 good auxiliary power units, 3 good fuel cells.
Thank you very much. You enjoyed it. I'm back again. There won't be another night.
We will.
Which one is it? Do you know that? What? This is the last night. Yeah, but how many? There's 10 more left. Okay, 10 more
Watching
left.
live television pictures from a camera mounted on the external tank of Endeavour.
What's this? After 10 more launch.
Altitude 66 miles, downrange 245 miles from Kennedy Space Center. Speed 7,300 miles an hour.
To go back to the moon. How many is
Endeavour, press to ATO.
How many is the sun
Press ATO.
Oh, hundreds.
Endeavour can now reach a lower than planned orbit with a safe orbit on just 2 engines.
127 or something.
Speed 8,000 miles an hour.
Hundreds of them.
11,000 feet per second, altitude 67 miles, 300 miles east of Kennedy Space Center.
Endeavour, single engine Ops 3. Single engine Ops 3.
Endeavour can now perform a transatlantic landing on only 1 engine at 109% of orbit thrust if required. Everything going well. Endeavour will roll into a heads-up position now to assist its performance and communication links to the climb stalls.
Single engine Zaragoza, 104. Single engine Zaragoza, 104. Endeavour, crest to Miko.
Engine cut off.
Endeavour traveling 10,000 miles an hour, and the shuttle could reach its planned orbit on just 2 engines if necessary. Just under 2 minutes to main engine cutoff now. Altitude 66 miles.
Endeavour, your shutdown plan is nominal. Go for the plus X. Shutdown plan nominal. Go for the plus X.
Commander Chris Ferguson giving the go-ahead for the plus X maneuver, in which he will manually raise Endeavour's nose into a plus X position to allow handheld photography of the external tank using digital cameras on the...
Endeavour, single engine press, 104. Single engine press, 104.
Speed now 13,000 miles an hour. Downrange 590 miles. Altitude 64 miles. 3 good main engines, 3 good auxiliary power units, 3 good fuel cells.
Oh, was it worth it now?
Enjoyed it. I can make you a tail take me
Endeavour's communication signals now being processed through the tracking data relay satellite system.
Mark.
Speed 16,000 miles an hour, altitude 64 miles, downrange 760 miles.
Your name is Sam.
Booster officer confirms main engine cut off, standing by for jettison of the external tank. Receiving live television pictures as Endeavour falls away from the external tank. Continues climb to orbit. Speed 17,040 miles an hour. Altitude 67 miles. Downrange distance 1,000 miles.
Endeavour, Houston, we saw nominal Miko. Holmes 1 is not required. Copy, nominal Miko. Holmes 1 not required.
Capcom Alan Poindexter pointing out there's no reason to use the shuttle's over-maneuvering system for the first boost to help it reach a proper orbit.
Good job, Sam.
well worth the president. Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Okay, Dan. What's the first thing you're going to do now that you're in space?
Find the green chicks. That's what Captain Kirk taught me.
Oh, okay.
Oh, beat up this lame lizard. Punch a Klingon.
No, you don't want to punch a Klingon.
No punching Klingon.
You want to wipe a Klingon.
Want to what? Wipe it?
Or use a vacuum.
Oh. Or that. No, not that Klingon.